Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Shine Next. Guys, today I'm very excited. I'm very excited because of who? Guess what? Because of you guys. So I decided to reveal my face because of the way you've been supporting me. You've been supporting the person you don't know, and I decided, why not? Why can't I show my people, my community, my fans, my face? They supported a person they don't know, but why can't I let them know the person they are supporting? So guys, this is the person you're supporting. You're supporting the Shinex. I'm Shinex. Yes, thank you for supporting me. So guys, what brought me here today is just to say thank you, because I'm very happy you supported me without knowing my face. You supported me. We have achieved 1.8k subscribers in only 1 month and a half. Yeah, only 1 month and a half or 2 months. So guys, we achieved this because of you. I have achieved this because of you, and I hope you will keep subscribing. So if you didn't subscribe, hit subscribe button, and if you did, guys, keep watching my videos. There are videos, and I promise you guys, on the show next we'll be vibing, we'll be vlogging, we'll be pranking friends, we'll be bringing trending news, a lot of entertainment, fans. I'll be inviting friends. I'll be showing you my friends, a lot of people, guys. So let us grow this community together. And guys, some people were asking me that, are you a Rwandan? Are you Tanzanian? Are you a Kenyan? Are you Ugandan? Burundian? Guys, let me know in the comment section, who do you think I am? I don't know. Is it because, let me know who do you think I am? And if you want, let us, guys, like, I pinned my WhatsApp number to let us know if you want us to create a WhatsApp group of this community, so that we will be sharing some styles, fans will be knowing just each other, networking with new people. Why not? So this is my community and it's your community. Let us grow it together. Let us spread love. Let us spread a lot of fans. Let us enjoy the world. Yes. So guys, as I said, I came here to say thank you, to let you know that this is the person you're supporting, to let you know that I'm so grateful for the support. And in the coming videos, just, this is the starting point. Like, what I wanted is just to hit some number of the community, so that I can prepare a lot of contents, vibes. So if you want to give me the idea, if you want to advise me on what I can do on, or what I can improve on the YouTube channel or the videos, just text me on WhatsApp. It's only for WhatsApp, it's not for calling. So guys, this is the person you're supporting. Yes, let us know each other, guys, right? Let us know each other. Let us grow this community together. And if there is another person you can support, why not? Let us support each other, guys. As I said, I come to say thank you, and now I have a lot of plans. It was a simple and small video, a short video. So guys, see you in the next videos. Ciao ciao.